Hi friends, I am Sajid and welcome to SciTech Guru. In this video, I'm going to do a charging test in the Realme X2 device using the 26,800 mAh power bank, and which has the maximum output of 102 watts, so which can be used to charge the MacBook laptops as well. So I just want to check the how fast the Realme X2 phone can charge using the power bank, and we'll be seeing the speed meter as well, how much the speed meter we get readings from the power bank. So this is the power bank which I ordered from the website. As you can see the details of the power bank, 26,800 mAh power bank, and which is a 102 watts. So normally the Realme X2 phone supports the 30 watts charging, so which supports only from the work charge, or it doesn't support from any other third-party adapters or any other cables. So but in this video I'll be just trying to check whether the Realme X2 actually supports the power banks or not in the fast charging. So before starting the video friends, if you are new to my channel, subscribe to my channel and don't forget to check the playlist of Realme X2 device, so you can find plenty of useful videos in that. So you can check the links in description if you want to watch the video. So now let me get back to the test right now. So right now the battery percent is of 7%, as you can see here. So I started the test with a low percentage because only in the beginning of the charging test we get very high charging speeds. So right now I got the two different cables. So one cable is a type C to type C cable, as you can see friends. So which I'll be connecting to the type C port here. So which is used to connect the laptops and other devices, which takes 102 watts. So right now the Realme X supports up to 30 watts charging, and let me try to connect the type C cable, and let me try to connect the phone, and let's check what is the charging speed rate, and will it detect any speed charging animation or not. Let's see here. So usually whenever you connect the fast charging to the Realme X2 device, like default charger, so the icon will be changed near the battery area, as you can see. So now let me open the application battery charging meter, so which will show you the exact charging speed rate currently, how much it is. So same test I'll be doing even with the original charger as well, so we'll get a clear idea so how fast you can charge your mobile actually if you forget your adapter at home, or if you're charging your device using the power bank of your friends. And let's see what is the charging speed rate, how much there's a difference. So as you can see guys, the max it got reached only 1031 milliamperes right now. So as you can see friends, after 3 minutes of charging, like close to 4 minutes of charging, only 3% got reached, and the max is around 2829 milliamperes right now. It got recorded if you are using the type C cable. And now let me disconnect this cable, and let me connect the default cable, and let me try to use the USB ports, and let's check how fast it can charge. As you can see friends, right now I'm connecting to the quick charge 3.0, as you can see here, Qualcomm. And let's see what is the maximum fastest milliamperes we can get here right now in the device. So again I'll be back after a couple of minutes, and let's check what is the maximum recorded milliamperes over there. And later on we'll be testing with the default charger what is the speed rate if you are using the default adapter and the cable. So as you can see friends, after a couple of minutes the maximum it reached around 1983 milliamperes. So this is so far the fastest if you are using the power bank it got reached. If you are using the type C power bank, then it will be a little bit higher. And now let me use the third-party cable with the power bank, and let's check will it equals to the speed or will it decrease the speed. So now you can see friends, this is a normal cable, not the Realme's cable. And let me connect to the power bank, and let's see whether it will support the fast charging with the third-party cables or not. Let's check in this video. So again I'll be back after a couple of minutes, and let's check what is the maximum it got reached over there. So as you can see friends, if you're using the third-party cables and the charging your device with the power bank, so this is a maximum milliamperes it got recorded in the Realme X2 device. So now what I will do, I'll just disconnect this one and I'll use the default adapter, and let's check in comparison with the normal power banks how fast the regular 30 watts adapter can power the Realme X2 device. So right now I'm charging using the Realme adapter. So again I'll be back after a couple of minutes and let's check what is the maximum it got recorded. So even as you can see currently it's 3300 milliamperes. That's a very good speed charging, good speed rate. As you can see friends, it's remained constant continuously. So overall friends, these are overall difference while charging using the power bank and while charging with the adapters. So if you're charging with the power banks, the maximum it can reach up to 2000 milliamperes, and if you're using the type C port power banks, then it might be a little bit higher, maybe 2800. So for more videos, subscribe to my channel friends. See you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned. Bye.